IBPS Clerk Prelims. Let us start from question number 31 onwards with a strategy. Now we have numerical ability question, so we'll be doing it. 63%. After looking at this number, conclude one thing. This is a 9 multiple. Other number may be anything, answer must be 9 multiple. We know how to verify 9 multiple. 7 plus 2, 9, forget about it. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 7, that is 22. 22 is not 9 multiple. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Other number is 7. This is not 9 multiple. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 5, 20. This is not 9 multiple. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is 9 multiple. This may be your answer. Hold it. You cannot answer the question. You need to eliminate that also. 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Other number 7 plus 8, 15. This is not 9 multiple. There is only one option. Fourth option, final answer. Under root 2609, after looking at this number, as the last digit is 1, your answer may end with either 9 or 1. All options are satisfying the rule. Now, observe this number. 50 square is equal to 2500, and this is a little bit more than that. Hence, our answer should be 51 square, fourth option. And now, as denominator is divisible by 45, where 5 multiple you have. Whenever you have 5 multiple, you can decide whether it is even number or odd number. Nothing more than that you can decide. So let us try to answer the question straightforward. So here, 6,000, 4,000, 10,000 plus 8,000, 18,000. 500, 300, 800, 800, 1600, 19,600, 60, 40, 100, 7 plus 3 plus 1, 10. So total 110 we have to add. 19,710 divided by 45. If you are comfortable in 45 multiple, directly you can start. Otherwise, cancellation with a 9. 9 5 times here. 9 2s 18. 17 we have. 9 1s 81. That is 9 9 times and then a 0 divided by 5. So 5 divisibility. Divide number with 10 and take 2 times of it. When you divide number with 10, you will get 219, 219 2 times 438, third option answer. And here, when you observe last digit, all are different. So let us try to observe only last digit verification. 4 into 6 ends with 4. And the other number ends with 8. Sum of 4 and 8 should end with 2. There is only one option, 292. Next we have continuous divisibility. When you have continuous division, keep the first number in numerator and the remaining numbers comes in denominator. And in denominator we have to multiply them. Last digit verification, numerator is ending with 8 and the denominator 6 3 is 18 also ends with 8. So 8 multiplied by 1 ends with 8. 8 multiplied by 1 ends with 8. So that is the only possibility. Hence our option is 11, which is second option. 6 also, 6 into 8 also ends with 8, but 6 is not there. Hence there is only one possibility. We are going for it. And now here x square we have to calculate. So last digit verification and something else will not work. We have to calculate this. 4,000, 3,000 plus 2,000, that is 9,000. 800 plus 300, 1100 plus 900, 2000. So far 11,000 we have. 20, 30, 50, 50 plus 60, 110. 5, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So earlier we got 110 plus 20, that is equal to 130. So total it is 11,130. From this if you subtract 1,130, we will have 10,000. 10,000 is equal to 100 square. Fifth option is our answer. Next, 37. So right hand side we have to write number in square format. So let us identify this as a square, that is 6 square to the power of 3. So the same we can write it as 6 to the power of 6. And now we can write it as 6 cube to the power of 2. And 6 cube is x value. 6 cube is 216, which is our first option. Next, here we have 15.5. Keep it as it is into 12.5. We can write it as 100 by 8 into 9.6. 100 and decimals gets cancelled. 8, 12 times we have. So finally it becomes 155 into 12. 155 10 times is 1550 and 2 times is equal to 310. Answer 1860 is our final answer. This is one possibility. The other is 96. This is multiple of 3. This is not 9 multiple, this is not 9 multiple, but all the three numbers are product. And here we have 3 multiplication. This is 3 multiple, this may be your answer, hold it. This is not 3 multiple, this is not 3 multiple, this is not 3 multiple, this is not 3 multiple. There is only one 3 multiple. Even with that logic also we can identify the answer. Now x is equal to 2268 divided by 63. Now 3 into which number ends with 8? 3 into 6 ends with 8. All the options are ending with 6. So if there is a two-digit number and if all the options are ending with the 6, then concentrate on the first number. 63, 3 times is 189. 63 4 times is equal to 252. We don't have that much number. So you know that your first number starts with 3. Hence answer is 36 because there is only one option which is starting with 3. And now if you verify last digit verification, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 6, that is answer must end with 8. There is only one option which is ending with 8. Fifth option is our final answer. But now from 41 onwards we have arithmetic questions. So we will be holding these questions. From 41 to what question we have? Yes, from 41 to 45 only. From 46 onwards, we have data analysis in a tabular form. Definitely we can do it. Number of new employees who joined in different departments of company Z. 2018 to 22. HR, finance, marketing, manufacturing, marketing, and then IT. Be careful here. This is manufacturing and that was other one is marketing. Now, what is the average number of employees who joined given departments of company Z in the year 2020? So average for 2020 we have to calculate. Now observe this: 10, 20, 60, 80. Clearly we have 80. Now 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 80, 20, 100. 100 plus 8, 108. 108, and also we have the other number 27. So that is total 135. Now when you are asked to calculate average divided by how many departments we have? 5 departments we have. So answer is 27. Third option is our final answer. What is the approximate percentage increase in the number of new employees in company Z from the year 2018 to 2019? So from 2018 to 29, percentage increase in employees we have to calculate. So we need to know how many employees are there. So clearly it is 50 for 20, 70, 70, 30, 100, 110, 120, 6, 128. So we already have 128 here in 2018. And next year what happens? Let's see. 16 plus 44, that is 60, 70, 90, 90, 40, 130, 135, 137, 141. 128 becomes 141, increased by 13 from 128 percentage, so into 100. 10% of the denominator is 12.8, approximate to 12.8 only. So answer is approximate to 10 percentage. Fourth option is our answer. The new number of employees, the number of new employees who joined manufacturing department in 2023 increased by 20 percentage from the number of new employees who joined in the same department in 2022. This is about manufacturing department. In 2022 we already have 50 and now this value increased by 20 percentage, then it becomes 60 in the next year. Next, what happened? Number of new employees who joined IT department in 2023 increased by 30 percentage from the number of new employees who joined the same department, meaning IT department, in 2020. So this value increased by 30 percentage. IT department in 2022, that was 40. Now if 40 increased by 30 percentage, 12 we have to add, then it becomes 52. Now what exactly is your question? What is the total percentage increase in the number of new employees from 2022 to 2023 for these two departments together? For these two departments only. So in 2022 we have 90 members and next year it becomes 112, increased by 22 from 90 percentage into 100. Now 20% of denominator is 18 and we have more than that, so answer is more than 20 percentage. 50 percentage is 45, 25 percentage is 22.5. So answer is very close to 25 percentage. Actually 25% value is equal to 22.5, but here we have 22 which is less than this, hence answer is also less than 25 percentage but very close to 25. There is only one option which is nearby 25 and less than that, 24. 4 by 9 is our final answer because difference is 0.5 only. 22.5 and 22, difference is 0.5. 1% of denominator is 0.9. We don't have to subtract 0.9. We have to subtract less than that number. So answer should be in between 24 and 25. There is only one option. Directly we can answer. Now in the year 2021, the respective ratio between new employees and male employees and female employees who joined marketing department was 3:2. Marketing department in 2021, marketing department we have 30. Now 30 is divided into 3:2 ratio. 5 parts we have, 30 we have, 1 part is equal to 6. Then male people are 3 parts, that is 18, and female people are 12. Next, in the same year, number of female employees who joined IT department is 3 more than number of female employees who joined marketing department. 3 more than this number, in the sense that will be 15 here. And now, which department? This is for IT 2021. Next, in 2021, IT department total we have 36 people. Out of 36, we already have 15 here. In the same year, number of female employees who joined IT department is 3 more than female employees in marketing department. What is the respective ratio between new male employees and new female employees who joined IT department? Now, IT department for year 2021, we already have 36. Now, out of 36, 15 are female employees, remaining 21 are male employees, and we were asked to calculate ratio between male new employees and female employees, that is equal to 21 and then 15. 3 7 times here, 3 5 times. Ratio is 7:5, fifth option. What is the difference between total number of employees who join HR department in all the given years together and the total number of employees who join finance department in all the years together? So that is about HR department people and finance department people. Difference we have to take. So instead of adding all these values and again all finances values and taking difference, better to go for individual difference. When you are going for individual difference, observe where exactly you see largest number or big numbers. Finance is more, finance is more, finance is more, finance is more, finance is more. So subtract HR from finance. 14 minus 12, that is equal to 2. 16 minus 15, 1. 18 minus 16, 2. 24 minus 21, 3. 28 minus 4, 24, that is equal to 4. Now, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. So difference, we got it as 12, which is our first option. Yes, from 51 onwards, we have approximations. So this is going to be a jackpot for us. Let us try to answer all the questions. Now, 20 times of 60, write it as it is, 20 times of 60, and which is therefore 4,800. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 into 6, 12. 48 by 12, that is equal to 4. So the entire number is equal to 4. Now this is equal to, we can write it as 590 plus 4, which is 594. Answer close to that is equal to fourth option. Next, 52. We can write it as 25 square, that is 625, plus 15 square, that is equal to 225. So far we have 850. Now take this negative number to right hand side and right hand side number comes to left hand side. It becomes minus 702, which is equal to 148. Now observe this numerator. So 3 point something we have, 5 point something we have. Forget about it. And now 3000 minus 40, which is equal to 2000. That is equal to 2960 divided by x is equal to 148, then x is equal to divided by 148. 148 two times and then a 0 we have. 20 times second option is our final answer. 20% of 4220, 10 percentage is 422, 20 percentage is 844. Now 10 percentage is 496, exactly double. I can take this number as 4 less than 500. 20 percentage is 8 less than 1000, that is equal to 992. So this is entire value is equal to 1836, which is our fifth option. Next, 16, 3 times is 48, 15 we have approximately 1. So the entire value is 31. 65, 10 square, 100, 6500 plus 31, 6531. Close to that, we have only one option, 6533, and that has to be our final answer. Now, when you look at this number, 5 by 9 of 8 by 11 of 13 by 36 of 985. Now, 4 2 times here, 4 9 times here. 11 into 9, 99, approximately 10 times we have. 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 10, 100 into 13, that is 1300 divided by 9. 9 once 9, 40 we have. 9 4 times, again 40 we have, again 4 times. 144, which is our fourth option. Now these are wrong number series. From 56 onwards, wrong number series. Wrong number series must be given last priority. Should be still 60th question we have that. Now from 62 onwards, yes, from 61 onwards we have quantity 1 and quantity 2. 61 to 65 are Q1 and Q2s. Because we have to solve two questions, then better to start from 41 to 45. So from 41 onwards we have arithmetic questions. Out of total sum of 22,400, Ram invested a certain amount in scheme A and the remaining amount he invested in scheme B. Scheme A offers simple interest at 8% per annum and B offers simple interest at 6% per annum. Both offer simple interest only, but difference is rate of interest. Ram invested in both the schemes for 2 years. If the total interest earned by him from both the schemes after 2 years is 3280, what is the respective ratio between amount invested by him in scheme A and scheme B? Finally, we were asked to calculate ratio here. So in which particular method we get ratio? In alligation and mixture. So let us take alligation mixture. Overall average is, overall interest obtained is 3280, and now scheme A is given at 8% per annum. In 2 years, we will get 16%. 10% is 2240, 5% is 1120, 1% is 224. Now, when you add all the values here, 3584, 3584, and then scheme B offers 6% per annum. In 2 years, we will get 12%. 10% is 2240. 1% is 224, 2% is 448. Then total interest is 2688, 2688. Now go for allegation here. Difference between both the numbers. This is 280 more than 3000 and this is 312 less than 3000. Sum is equal to 592. So that is, I'll write 592 here. 592. Difference between both the numbers, right? Now difference between both the numbers is equal to, first subtract 3000, 3000, subtract 280 from 584, here we will get 304. Now both the numbers are divisible by 4. 4 ones, 19 we have, 4 fours, and then 8 times. 4 7 times 28, 24 we have, that is 6 times. Now again cancellation with 4 we have, 4 3 times 12 and then 7 times. How many options are starting with the 37? 2 options are there. Now if it is 80, 4 20 times we can write. This is 4 less than 80, 1 time less than 20 times, that is equal to 19 times. 37 is to 19, which is our third option. A boat can travel 3.9 kilometers downstream in 13 minutes. So when you convert speed into kilometer per hour, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 13 3 times is 39, but here we have 3.9. So 13.3 times. 63 is 180. 0.3 times is equal to 18 kilometers. And then speed of the current is equal to 3 km per hour. Downstream speed is given, which is m plus s is equal to 18. From this, s is equal to 3 and then m is equal to 15. Now we were asked to calculate what distance the boat can travel upstream in 28 minutes. Upstream speed is equal to m minus s, which is 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12 km per hour. Now distance travel, that's what we were asked to calculate, that is equal to speed into time. Speed into time is 28 minutes. Minutes convert into hours, that is by 60. 12 5 times here. 28 divided by 5 in the sense, which is equal to 5.6 kilometers, which is our fourth option. Every month, Piyush gives 20% of his monthly salary to his wife. So wife is getting 20% and 10% to his one son and one daughter. So daughter is getting 10%, son is getting 10%. So far 40% is over. He spends 30% of the remaining money. So far 40% is over. Remaining is 60. Out of this 30%, 10% is 6, 6 3 is 18 is over. Then remaining is 42%. And the rest of the salary he deposited in his bank account. If in a year he is able to deposit 2,74,932 in his bank account. Observe this. So far they are talking about monthly, but now yearly they are talking. So to convert into monthly, divided by 12 comes 12 2 times 24, 34 we have. Again 2 times 24, 10. 109 we have. 12 9 times is equal to 12 9 times is 108. And then we have 13 one time and again one time. So monthly he is depositing 22,911 rupees, and which is equal to remaining money which is invested in the bank, which is equal to 42%. And now how much money did he give to his son and daughter together? Son and daughter together they are getting 20%, so that is equal to into 20. Now cancellation with 7 6 times here. 7 3s 21, 19 we have, 17 2s 14, 51 we have, 7 7s 49, and again 3 times. Again cancellation with the 3, 1 0 9 and then 1 0 9 1. 3 2 times here, 2 10 times. 1091 10 times is equal to 10,910, which is our first option. Next, AB together can complete a piece of work in 6 2 by 3. So AB together can do it in 6 2 by 3. The same we can write it as 20 by 3. If A alone takes 3 more days to complete the same piece of work than the number of days taken by B alone, in how many days B alone can complete the work? Now, if both together can do the work in 20 by 3, 1 hour work is equal to 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 will have 1 hour work of A and again 1 hour work of B. According to the condition, your question is about time taken by B to complete the work. Let it be X days. 1 hour work of B is 1 by X. And A takes 3 more days. That means X plus 3. So now, when you calculate LCM for X and then X plus 3, that will be either 20 or multiple of 20. Now observe the value. If X is equal to 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 and 18, yeah, never you will get 20. Hence, first option is eliminated. So let me try with only integers. So I don't want to touch second option and fifth option. If it is 15, 15 and 18, LCM for these two numbers also cannot be 20. I don't want to touch that. If it is 12, 1 by 15 and then 1 by 12. LCM is equal to 60. 15 4 times, 12 5 times. 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. Cancellation with the 3 times here, and it is 20 times. 3 by 20, that is there in our right hand side number. Hence, fourth option is our final answer. See, after getting this number, after getting this particular step, If you try to solve and answer the question, it takes a lot of time. So substitution method is the best method for answering this question. 45. The respective ratio between diagonals of the square and breadth of the rectangle is 7:5. The area of the square is 49. A square is equal to 49, then A is equal to 7. Diagonal is equal to A root 2, which is equal to 7 root 2. That is equal to 7 parts. If 7 parts is equal to 7 root 2, 5 parts must be equal to 5 root 2. Now, breadth is equal to 5 root 2. And then length of the rectangle is twice of its breadth. L is equal to 10 root 2, 2 times of this number. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 times of L plus B. L plus B is 15 root 2. 2 times is equal to 30 root 2. 30 root 2 is our final answer, which is our first option. Now, we are done with arithmetic questions, and let's start from question number 61 to 65, which are Q1 and Q2s. 61 onwards. A car travels first 120 kilometers in 40 minutes and the next 180 kilometers in 80 minutes. Average speed. That is total distance by total time taken. Total distance covered is equal to 300 kilometers and the total time taken 40 plus 80, 120 minutes. 120 minutes convert into hours, that is equal to 2 hours, which is equal to 150. So Q1 is equal to 150. Now let's concentrate on Q2. The speed of the car which travels 288 kilometers in 3 hours. So per hour it is 288 divided by 3. Definitely that will be less than 100. You don't have to even calculate that. Q1 is 150 and Q2 is less than 100. Hence Q1 is more than Q2. Answer concluded. Now the circle C1 has a radius 10.5 centimeters. 10.5 can be written as 21 by 2, that is equal to radius, and the square of the side 19 centimeters we have. Area of C1, area of the circle pi r square 22 by 7 into r1 square, that is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 7 3 times we have, 2 11 times we have. 11 into 3 33, 33 20 times 660 plus 33 one time, that is 33. Total we have 693 divided by 2 also we have, that is equal to 346.5. So 346.5 we have. Now Q2, area of the S1, side of the square C1 has a radius and a square S1 has a side measuring 19. Square is equal to A square, that is equal to 19 square, which is equal to 361. Q1 was 346.5, Q2 361. Q1 less than Q2 concluded. Now, inlet A fills an empty tank in 24 hours. B fills the same tank in 36 hours. Outlet C empties the tank in 60 hours. So here A, B are inlets and C is outlet. Inlet can fill the tank in 24 hours, the other one 36 hours, and the last one 60. So LCM is equal to 360. It can fill 15 units per hour, and it can fill 10 units per hour, and it can empty 6 units per hour. Okay, Q1 is time taken by inlet A to fill 3/8 of the tank when inlet B is closed and outlet C is open. B is closed. A and C both can fill 9 units in an hour. So to fill, your question is about 3/8. 3/8 of the tank capacity is this much, and both A and C working together can do 9 units. 9, 40 times here, 8, 5 times, 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. And now Q2, time taken by inlet B to fill 1/6 of the tank when inlet A is closed and outlet C is open. A is closed, BC can fill 4 units only. So 360 is our total tank capacity, and here it is about 1/6, that is equal to divided by 6, and both B and C together can fill only 4 units, that is 660 times 4, again 15 times. Q1 is 15 and Q2 also 15. Both Q1 and Q2 are equal. And now quadratic equation we have. So here 72 can be written as 8 into 9 minus 17 we have minus 8 minus 17. This is our combination. Then factors becomes 8 comma 9, and then for y 99 we have, that can be written as 9 into 11, minus 9, minus 11, minus 20 we have. Then factors are plus 9 and then plus 11. X less than y we have 8 comma 9, 9 comma 9 equal condition. 8 11 x less than y, 9 11 x less than y. So x is less than or equal to condition is our final answer. Next, a sum of 1440 is divided for 2 years in a scheme offering compound interest at 20% per annum. The interest received from the given scheme is at the rate of 20% per annum. Compound interest for 2 years is 44%. 40% of this number is equal to 10%, 140 4 times, that is equal to 560, and 4% is equal to 56. Total Q1 is equal to 616. Now Q2, amount received when a sum of 500 is invested in the given scheme for 2 years is, interest obtained is 44%, but amount is going to be 144%. 144% of 500, or we can say 500% of 144. 500% in the sense 5 times of it. 10 times is equal to 1440. 5 times is exactly half of that, that is 720. Q1 616, Q2 720, Q1 less than Q2, Q1 less than Q2, answer concluded. So with this, we are done with the paper. After completion of this, then we are supposed to go for wrong number series. Don't touch wrong number series in the beginning. Give the least priority or the last priority for it. So after completion of all these, we are supposed to focus on wrong number series. So this must be the approach and strategy for this particular paper, and we'll meet in next session. Thank you.